Have you ever found yourself reacting to your child in a way that feels all too familiar? Maybe you hear your mother's voice in your own words, or maybe you see your father's frustration in your parenting style. Yes, you promised yourself that you would do things differently, but here you are repeating the same patterns. Yes, I know this feeling all too well, okay? But what if I told you that you can break free? That you can become the mother you have always wanted to be? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Amita Anup, your life transformation mentor for married women. I help women like you to break free from emotional baggage, create healthy relationships, and become their best version, okay? If that sounds that's something you need, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the new videos. Yeah? Now let's talk about how we find ourselves trapped in this cycle in the first place, okay? Our subconscious mind observes everything from our childhood, okay? How our parents talk to us, how they disciplined us, how they behaved, or how they expressed love. These experiences shape our beliefs about parenting, often without us even realizing about it. The way we handle our child's tantrum, set boundaries, or we respond to their emotions is influenced by what we have experienced, rather what we choose to, okay? Unless we decide to change it. But here's the good news. Just because we were raised in a certain way doesn't mean that we have to follow the same parenting style, okay? We have the power to change and rewrite the script. The first step in breaking free is awareness. Ask yourself, what triggers me the most as a parent? When do I react in a way that I regret later? Often, our biggest struggles come from the wounds that haven't healed yet. Let me share my own personal story. When my daughter was born, I was operating from a place of fear. Fear that she would get hurt. Fear that if I wasn't doing enough. Fear that what if I make the same mistakes as I have seen people around me doing, or what my parents have done. It was all overwhelming. But one day, I had a powerful realization. My anxiety wasn't about her, it was about me. Yes. It was about the fears that I was carrying from my own childhood. And in that moment, I made a choice. I would not let my past dictate the kind of mother I want to become. I would heal, I would grow, and I would learn to show up differently. One of the hardest parts of breaking the generational cycles is guilt that comes with acknowledging that yes, we need to change. It's easy to feel like we are failing when we see the patterns, okay? But listen me carefully, okay? Noticing the patterns is not failing, it's awakening. It means that yes, you are growing. And I know the fear that comes with change. What if I don't know how to do things differently? What if my family judges me? What if I mess up? Here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be willing to take the first step. Your children don't need a perfect mother, okay? They need a present, evolving, and self-aware mother. So how do we start making changes? Let's go step by step. Step number 1. Identify your triggers. Pay attention to moments that makes you react strongly. Is it when your child doesn't listen? When they express big emotions? These triggers often stem from unresolved emotions from your own childhood. Step number 2. Create a pause button. The next time you feel yourself reacting, stop. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, am I responding from the past, or am I choosing a new way? That simple pause can change everything. Step number 3. Rewrite your parenting language. Instead of "stop crying, you are fine," try "I see that you are upset. I'm here to help you through this." Small shifts like these create emotional safety for your child. Step number 4. Heal your inner child. Many of us parenting struggles are rooted in unhealed parts of ourselves. If you felt unheard as a child, you may struggle to listen patiently. If you felt unloved unless you performed well, you may push your child too hard. Doing inner healing work through journaling, therapy, or coaching can be life-changing. Step number 5. Surround yourself with support. Transformation is easier when you are surrounded by like-minded people, whether it's a supportive spouse, a parenting coach, or a group of women on the same journey. Find your tribe, okay? If you don't have one, I would love to invite you to join my community. Dear mothers, you are the cycle breakers, okay? The way you choose to parent today will shape the emotional foundation of your children and their children and after them and so on. This is not just about the parenting, okay? This is about the generational healing, and you have the power to create the shift. If this video resonated with you, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment sections. I would love to know what challenges are you facing in your parenting journey and what are the patterns you are trying to work on. Yeah, let's support each other in this journey. And if you are ready to take this transformation even deeper, I invite you to book a free clarity call with me. Let's dive deep into your specific challenges and create a roadmap for the mother you want to become. The link is given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos in the future. Yeah, take care. Bye-bye.